We've got showers and storms moving through. Still a watch out for Itasca and Koochiching County as these storms continue eastward. And as we head throughout the overnight period, we're also seeing some activity just over to our west. That will also swing eastward and diminish throughout the evening hours here. So that's the good news there. But still some lightning and a little pea-sized hail possible with these storms, mainly north of the range right now and creeping in an eastward fashion. Here's a closer up view. You can see the intensity of that storm, and it kind of fizzled out as it gets into a stable layer of air right here in the Arrowhead region of Minnesota. Along Highway 71, it's pretty wet. A lot of soaking rain and frequent lightning associated with these storms. And again, as I said, there's a watch out until midnight tonight. The area is shaded in yellow. No warnings out with these storms as of now.
Well, climate change can be a touchy subject, right? Some believe that the Earth's climate, is just naturally occurring, ups and downs. But, others believe humans are the cause. Chief Meteorologist Adam Clark talks with national experts and shares the latest on the science behind climate change.
If you look at a chart of the Earth's temperature from millions of years ago until now, you can see that the temperature has gone up and down. But does the recent warming trend point to an unnatural cause, such as carbon dioxide? According to the National Weather Service and the National Oceanographic Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, the answer is not a clear-cut yes or no.
Now, as far as how or why there is global warming, we don't know. How much is a natural phenomena that is occurring in cycles, and how much is occurring because of human involvement? That is the one piece of information that we don't know.
Climate change has been thrown into the political arena, with scientists and climatologists debating the cause for the past decade. They're debating whether or not CO2 emissions from cars and fossil fuel burning power plants is causing the world to warm up.
So what it all boils down to, when you take politics out of it, most likely it's our fault.
California atmospheric scientist Dr. Ben Santer is a climate change researcher. He says we have a huge problem on our hands.
We know beyond a shadow of a doubt that our activities have changed the chemical composition of the Earth's atmosphere. That's not a belief system. That's not speculation. We know that.
Santer says we know it by looking at carbon measurements that provide a unique fingerprint of fossil fuel burning. He also says the complex pattern we're in doesn't match a natural cycle.
The best, most plausible explanation for these changes has to involve a strong human fingerprint.
Around the world, a growing number of climate scientists are switching to the human cause belief. But Dr. Santer says that doesn't necessarily mean the world is doomed to an ongoing series of extreme weather events.
I believe in the ingenuity and creative power of the human brain, and I believe that we can find solutions to the problem of human-caused climate change.
Dr. Santer says if nations and companies share technology in an effort to create power cheaply and efficiently, we can lessen the harm we've already caused the Earth. Chief Meteorologist Adam Clark reporting.
Dr. Santer says there has been a 30% increase in carbon dioxide observed in the atmosphere since the Industrial Revolution.